How to deposit USDT on Kraken. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can deposit USDT on Kraken. For this, open up any web browser and head over to kraken.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, on the home page, you simply want to click on the transfer crypto option. Then make sure you're clicked on the deposit tab. Here, if Tether isn't selected, you can use the search bar to find USDT, which is also known as Tether. Next, you want to select the network, so click on this drop-down menu. Now, only these networks which are available can be used to deposit USDT on Kraken, so go ahead and select whichever network you want. Make sure to send only USDT from your wallet using the network you selected here. Deposits sent using another network will be lost, so here I'm going to select the Ethereum network. Next, click on Generate Deposit Address option. You will then see the new deposit address which you will need later to send your USDT to Kraken. Now open your crypto wallet. You can also use Kraken wallet. On the wallet as well, you want to select USDT and select the same network that you selected on Kraken, in this case Ethereum. Next, you want to enter the amount of USDT you would like to send to your Kraken account. Then you want to enter the address. It's going to show you the network fee as well. Once you have entered all the details, click on the continue option. Now that the transaction has been initiated, you can track its progress on the wallet application. Now in the wallet, you will get the confirmation as success. Now you will have to wait for the funds to become available to trade in your account. You can click on transactions here, and when the funds become available, you will see them at the top of the page. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.